In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize your Gmail inbox and make it easier to manage your emails by separating them into distinct tabs like social, promotions, forums, and more. This will help you declutter your inbox and ensure you never miss important emails while also keeping less critical ones organized and separate. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to customize. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the shortcut to your settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a quick settings menu, but for what we're doing today, you'll want to click on See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings menu where you can make deeper customizations. Now that you're in the settings, find the tab labeled Inbox and click on it. This is where you can define how you want your emails to be sorted and where the magic of categorizing begins. Within the inbox settings, you'll see an option labeled Inbox Type. Make sure this is set to default, which is essential for using the tabbed categorization feature we're setting up. Right below that, you'll find the categories section. Here you'll see several options listed: primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. These categories are key to sorting your emails effectively. To enable them, simply check the boxes next to each category you want to use. The primary tab is usually checked by default as it's meant for your most crucial emails. The social tab will catch all your social media updates, while promotions is perfect for sales and marketing related emails. Updates and forums help you keep track of other types of messages like notifications and group threads. After you've checked all your desired categories, don't forget this crucial last step. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on the Save Changes button. This will ensure all your adjustments are applied and you'll be shifted back to your inbox with your new categorized tabs in place. As a quick tip, if you ever decide that you want to rearrange or remove these tabs, you can always head back to the inbox settings and simply uncheck the boxes or try different configurations until you find what works best for you. That's it. With just a few steps, you've now set up a more organized and streamlined Gmail inbox that's designed to help you prioritize your communications more effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.